Welcome to this video, 100 tips and tricks in ABAP tip 23. In this video I would like to show and explain to you how you can get performance tips and tricks on your own, and it's quite easy. So within the SAP GUI you open up the runtime analyzer, so therefore you enter the transaction code SAT in the command field. After entering this transaction code, then you will end up in here, and I would like to set the focus on this tiny button here in the top left area. Once you've clicked on this button or you use the key F6, then you will end up in here. And here you can access performance tips and tricks for ABAP objects. And here you have a lot of tips and tricks available. So here you can see some examples, and here some areas are grouped in some kind of folders. Here, for example, for the SQL interface. So if we would like to call an example, then we double click on one node, and here basically you have the comparison between, in this case, a select and check statement and a select with where condition. And here down there you have also a documentation, so how the comparison works, how the program works. If you want to, you can click here on the global variables, and then here you see all the global variables that are defined and used in this program. And basically to compare those two programs, you click on measure runtime or hit the F8 key, and then it takes a couple of seconds. And here you will see now the runtime in microseconds and the comparison. And here you can see that this basically program, this example, so a select with where condition, takes way less time than compared a select and check statement. And you know, based on these examples, that if you are using this kind of style of program, that you should avoid it. So also to increase the performance, you should use a select with a where condition, or for example, if you would like to test the existence. So here you can just make a select and then once again measure runtime, and then you can see that this is way faster, takes less time. And you have also other examples. So open these up, click in here, you have also documentation down here. So whatever you need, so click in these examples also for ABAP objects. So if you would like to use subroutines or calling a method. So yeah, okay, this is both quite fast, so therefore there's hardly any difference, but there is. And the modern version is calling a method. So yeah, this is all great. So here you have also how calling a function is being done, how a method is being done. You can learn more concepts and what increases basically the performance. Yeah, and by said this, please, if you have any questions left, put them in the comment section, and please do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel to not miss great upcoming videos. There are still 77 great videos about ABAP tips and tricks left. So thank you so much for watching once again, and see you in the next video.